Today we're making 4 strong cocktails that you can order at any bar. Bartenders, you need to know how to make these. Hey Thirsty fam, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to learn how to bartend and how to make cocktails from an actual bartender, you've came to the right place. Today we're diving into the world of the strongest drinks. We're going to be making a Long Island iced tea, a blue Long Island iced tea, a Tokyo tea, and a Long Beach iced tea. These 4 cocktails are going to be easy to remember because they're all very similar. They all have 5 ingredients in common, and then you'll switch out an ingredient or 2 per cocktail. We're gonna start off with the Long Island iced tea. This one, I definitely make at least 1 per shift. They have a lot of booze in them, so we wanna make sure that we know how to make them right, okay? We don't wanna get too crazy with this cocktail now. You need to know your measurements, even if you're making it for yourself. If your bar allows you to free pour, go for it. Make sure you watch our free pour video if you don't know your measurements. But today we're going to be using a jigger. The jigger that we're using is from this Bar Deluxe cocktail kit. This is from Amazon and it comes in 4 different colors. If you wanna get your hands on this kit, use the link in our description. For this cocktail, you're going to need pretty much every single type of spirit. Some vodka, rum, gin, tequila, triple sec, sour mix, and a cola. I would say Coke makes the most optimal Long Island, but I mean, to each their own. If you like Pepsi, you like Pepsi. It is what it is. At my bar, I usually have a lemon wedge. Today we did a wheel because it just looks cuter. But whatever you have will work. A lemon garnish is the key here. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, let's get into this recipe. If you want to make this cocktail alongside me, go to bottlerover.com and get some booze delivered to your door. In our shaker, we're adding a ½ ounce of vodka, a ½ ounce of rum, a ½ ounce of gin, a ½ ounce of tequila, a ½ ounce of triple sec, 1 ounce of sour mix. If you don't have sour mix or if your bar doesn't carry it, you can sub out the sour mix for half simple syrup and half lemon juice. We're gonna shake that with some ice and then roll or strain this into your serving glass. Top it with some Coke and garnish with a lemon. And that's how you make a Long Island iced tea. Next up, the blue Long Island. It's vibrant, blue, fun, and strong. You're gonna have basically all of the same ingredients as you would for a Long Island, except instead of triple sec, we're using blue Carousel, and instead of Coke, we're using Sprite. Blue Carousel is basically a blue orange liqueur. You can actually find this one with or without alcohol. Whichever one you have, that's fine. It's still gonna bring the same flavor. The one without alcohol is gonna make it a little bit more sweet. Blue Carousel with alcohol has a bite. Now let's dive into this cocktail. In a cocktail shaker, add a ½ ounce of vodka, a ½ ounce of gin, a ½ ounce of rum, a ½ ounce of tequila, a ½ ounce of blue Carousel, and 1 ounce of sour mix. We're gonna shake that up real good, and then we're gonna strain this and top it with some Sprite. The blue Long Island gets a lemon and a cherry garnish. Woo! She's strong. Next up, the Tokyo iced tea. I love how vibrant and green this cocktail is. It has like a bit of a candy, sweet taste. It kind of reminds me of a Jolly Rancher, but strong. For the Tokyo tea, you're gonna need all of the usual suspects, but this one also gets a melon liqueur and some club soda. Why is it called the Tokyo tea, you may ask? The melon liqueur that we're using, this is Midori, and this is made with a Japanese melon. Now let's make this cocktail. In our shaker, we're adding a ½ ounce of vodka, a ½ ounce of rum, a ½ ounce of gin, a ½ ounce of tequila, a ½ ounce of melon liqueur, and 1 ounce of sour mix. We're gonna shake that up real good, strain it over some ice, and then top it with some club soda. We're gonna garnish with a lemon wheel and a cherry. And ready to get the party started, a Tokyo iced tea. If you're a vodka cranberry kind of person, I think you would really like this one. I would say this one is a little bit more refreshing than the other cocktails. These 2 are more sweet. This one is a little bit sour. Plus the mint sprig, so refreshing. For this cocktail, you're going to need all of the usual suspects in a Long Island iced tea, but it does not include a cola. Instead, this one is topped with cranberry juice. Now let's dive into this cocktail. In our shaker, we're adding a ½ ounce of vodka, a ½ ounce of rum, a ½ ounce of gin, a ½ ounce of tequila, a ½ ounce of triple sec, 1 ounce of sour mix, and 1 ounce of cranberry juice. We're gonna give this a good shake. You can roll this one directly into your serving glass, but we're gonna strain it, garnish with a lime and a mint sprig. So these may be the 4 most commonly ordered strong cocktails, but we've got some stronger ones that are coming soon. I'm scared.